Alright, next break, actually last break of the day. Thad, what's up, man? Box number 8, 2010 Centauri Collection. And it is Lou Brock. Bat autograph. And that's numbered 17 of 25. We have Tony Oliva, jersey. Somebody's rocking out there. And that's number 200. Fred Gregory, astronaut relic stamp. And that's number 200. Old school, Warren Spahn jersey or pants. That's numbered to 250. Katharine Hepburn, Cary Grant, dual relic, dual stamp. And that's numbered to 250. And Maury Wills autograph, and that's 250. Appreciate that. I'll get these on the way today. See you, man.